Can chair yoga help you lose belly fat? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and I'd like you to stick around until the end where I share with you the secret to having success on your fitness journey. But first things first, as far as losing belly fat, abs are made in the kitchen and you can't out-train a poor diet. That being said, chair yoga is an effective and accessible way to strengthen your core. Those gentle twists and ab exercises help to tighten and tone your belly muscles without the neck, back, or knee pain that so many experience when trying to get down on the ground. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a lateral stretch. Reach your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Begin to alternate stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your side body. Release and return to center, moving into an alternate leg lift variation. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, sweep down and back as you lift through one leg. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach and lengthen, and with each exhale, lower your arms as you draw your knee in towards your chest, coiling your navel back, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into an alternate leg lift variation. Sitting tall with your hands to your hips, begin to alternate stepping your legs open wide and back to center. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your core engaged, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility in your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Stay connected to your breath as you keep your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Open your arms wide, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale at center with your arms open wide. Exhale, gently twist. Reaching opposite hand to leg, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Release and return to center. Moving into a side reach variation. Alternate extending one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left arm and leg. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, Broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. Place your left hand to the chair for support. Reach your right arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Reach your left arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for the secret to having success on your fitness journey, it's consistency, being able to stick with it and finish what you start. So if your goal is to tighten and tone while feeling healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.